Dili ako buang para maniwala dyan. Yung alien registration application nyo sa Republika ng Pilipinas, Yang Tianqin. Dun sa LTO driver's license application na sinabit nyo sa Republika, Antonio Maestrado, Lim. Ito pa, dito naman sa TIN application nyo, Antonio Lim. Hindi totoo na isang pangalan lang ginagamit nyo, iniiba-iba ninyo. Mr. Yang, kailan po kayo dumating sa Pilipinas? When did you come to the Philippines?
That was around 1998 or 1999.
So 1998 or 1999, you have been here for a quarter of a century or 26 years.
Yes, that's correct. Around 25 to 26 years.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa kayo marunong mag-Pilipino?
Yes, Tagalog, Bisaya, only a few.
Ganyan din yung sagot ni Michael Yang sa amin nung Farmally investigation. So, Mr. Tony Yang, you confirm that you are a Chinese national? Kinukumpirma nyo na Chino ang nationality nyo?
Yes, I confirm.
You confirm. So, do you also have a Philippine passport?
I don't have a Philippine passport. None.
You don't? I heard differently. Do you have a Chinese passport?
Yes, I have a Chinese passport.
You have a Chinese passport. Ito po, ifa-flash ko ngayon, birth certificate po ninyo. So, at ito birth certificate nyo dito sa Pilipinas. Late registration rin. O, nirehistro po ito sir, noong 2004. So, just 15 years, 16 years after you arrived here. Ibig sabihin, 34 years old na kayo nung na-register ang birth certificate nyo. You recognize this?
I actually could not understand English. What I remember is that when I was here, when I was 2 to 3 years old, it was my grandfather who helped me come up with this birth certificate.
You were not here when you were 2 to 3 years old, Mr. Yang. Sabi nyo dumating kayo 1998 or 1999. And then 2004 pa itong rehistro, 34 years old na po kayo. And then now you're telling us it was your grandfather who late registered your live birth. So it looks to me, Mr. Yang, the birth certificate is fake.
That during that time, it was my grandfather who helped me come up with this birth certificate. And I'm not sure, maybe he did this for the convenience of the business here.
Similar story as Guo Huaping, similar story as revealed by the SP pro tempore about Cassandra Leong. We will ask the Philippine Statistics Authority to investigate if, like theirs, your Philippine birth certificate is also irregular. Dahil lumalabas, the birth certificate is fake. Mr. Yang, sabi nyo nga, you are a Chinese national. Sabi nyo, wala kayong Philippine passport. Ba't kayo nagpapanggap na Pilipino?
During that time, it was my grandfather who helped me process this birth certificate. I am not aware of this. Maybe he was thinking that it was for my convenience so that I can build a business here.
Ano ba talaga ang totoong pangalan nyo, Mr. Yang? Let me show you yung ACR application form nyo. Ano bang totoong pangalan nyo, Mr. Yang?
Sure. I am Yang Jianxin.
Yang Tianxin, as I read from your nameplate. But look at this. Tingnan nyo Ito yung ACR application nyo. Diyan, Yang Tianxin nga kayo. Pero, merong ding LTO, Driver's License Application. Papakita din po namin. Dito naman, pangalan nyo, Antonio Maestrado. Lim. Ito pa, Taxpayer's Identification Number application. May TIN pa. So ito, sa mga Pilipino, dito naman, iba na naman ang pangalan nyo. Antonio Lim. So alin sa mga ito ang totoong pangalan nyo?
Since I do not know how to speak English, What I only know is that I am called Antonio Lim. They call me Antonio Lim. That's what they call me.
Bakit ba iba-iba pa yung pangalan na ginagamit nyo sa mga official documents? Minsan kayo si Yang Chansin. Minsan Tony Yang kayo. Minsan naman Antonio Maestrado Lim. Bakit iniiba-iba ninyo yung pangalan nyo sa official documents?
In the government documents, I only use Antonio Lim and no other name.
May pinakita kaming iba. Yung alien registration application nyo sa Republika ng Pilipinas, Yang Chansin. Dun sa LTO driver's license application na sinabit nyo sa Republika, dito naman, pangalan nyo, Antonio Maestrado Lim. Dun naman, dito naman sa TIN application nyo, Antonio Maestrado Lim. Hindi totoo na isang pangalan lang ginagamit nyo, iniiba-iba ninyo. And you have profited from changing your name and your nationality dito sa iba't ibang submissions nyo. At your convenience. Talagang for convenience. Gaya ng sinabi nyo tungkol sa lolo nyo. You're only Filipino when it benefits you.
对，就是说在菲律宾做生意吧，吼。
Yes, because the initial intention of my grandfather is for me to start a business here. That's why I use an English name so that I can also apply for business permits, for other documentations that will be needed for the business.
Precisely. So for the record, Mr. Yang has confirmed that he is also Antonio Maestrado Lim. Aside from Tony Yang, aside from Yang Chansin. At di ako makapaniwala, quarter of a century na kayo dito sa Pilipinas, sa Cagayan de Oro included, at di pa kayo marunong mag-Bisaya fluently o Filipino fluently. Dili ako buang para maniwala dyan.